Hey everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting. Have you ever wondered how some OnlyFans creators are earning dollars even with free accounts? Sounds interesting, right? Well, today I'm going to reveal exactly how people are making money on OnlyFans without charging a single subscription fee. And yes, you can do it too if you know the secrets. So stay tuned, because this video will change the way you think about earning online. For those of you who are new here, I'm Nat, and on ABC Hosting, we dive into the world of digital content, online earnings, and hosting solutions to help you start your journey safely and profitably. If you enjoy actionable tips like these, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. In today's video, we'll cover how creators use free OnlyFans accounts to earn dollars, the strategies that work best for free content monetization, how you can get started and potentially start earning, extra resources and tools to make your journey easier, including a detailed article you must read. So, make sure you watch till the end because I've included some expert tips that most beginners don't know. First off, let's talk about the concept. Many creators on OnlyFans set up free accounts. You might be thinking, wait, free? How do they earn dollars then? Here's the catch. They use free content as a hook. They post engaging, high quality content for free to attract followers. Once the audience grows, these creators use methods like paid private messages, where fans can request personalized content, tips and donations from their followers who want to support them, exclusive paid posts that only a few choose to unlock, while the majority content remains free. This strategy Bash works amazingly because free content builds trust, engagement, and a loyal audience, which ultimately converts into earnings. Now, if you're someone who wants to try this, you'll need some guidance. I highly recommend checking out this article, Best Free OnlyFans Accounts. It explains step by step how these free accounts are structured and how top creators are using them to make money. Definitely give it a read for a more detailed approach. Also, if you're thinking bigger and want to start your own adult video streaming website, I have a recommendation for you, QloudHost. They offer 100% DMCA ignored hosting, which is perfect for adult content creators. Their servers are located in offshore locations, ensuring privacy, reliability, and freedom to publish your content without restrictions. QloudHost plans are flexible and affordable, starting at just a few dollars per month, with features like high-speed SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, easy setup, and strong customer support. Check the description for the link to their website to explore their plans in detail. If you still have questions or feel a bit confused about starting on OnlyFans or creating your own adult platform, drop a comment below. I'll personally try to help you out and guide you through the process. So, that's it for today's video. Free OnlyFans accounts can really help you earn dollars if you use the right strategies. And with tools like QloudHost, you can even take it a step further by creating your own platform. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, subscribe to ABC Hosting, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.